This DeBacco University video is going to look at the importance of branding when it comes to growing cannabis and creating a sustainable business practice. All right, let's look at the importance of cannabis branding and growing a quality cannabis product. Branding it and getting the word out there is a very important part of creating a sustainable business. So first off, the job description. Now we're looking at a job description, looking at a marketing manager. They're responsible for branding and registering products for sale and keeps the company up to date and relevant within the current industry. And this relevance can change. So what was popular one year or one set might change over time. Here we're seeing 4-week moving average of market share of flower, market share of THC, looking at data, looking at trends, trying to make predictions, all important considerations for the description involving the marketing manager of any cannabis company. Now the day-to-day activities are looking at those creating a principal display and secondary label that accurately reports test results, statements, product identification information, and color coding for sorting and identification. Registers brands with the DCP, files brand registration information, photographs products for branding, and works with contractors in developing t-shirts, lanyards, pens, pads, etc., as well as bags, a whole bunch of things and different ways to brand that particular product. Now, important part here is that it says photographs products for branding. This can be a very critical part, particularly for cannabis. We're looking at dried flower. Really showcasing that final product in the best way possible can really do a lot for the branding and selling of that product going forward. So the qualities a person must have just in general: willingness to work closely with others, good communication skills, knowledge of the FTC and FDA regulations, must be creative, must be at least 21 years or older. Degree and experience within the field is always welcome, as well as pass a background check so you'll be working in the cannabis industry. So must be creative in the sense that coming up with new ways, trying new things, realizing when something may not be working and making adjustments from there. So what is kind of the connection to the cannabis industry? Well, branding goes a long way. We can see that here with nutrients, with t-shirts. There's a whole lot of that within the industry. And cannabis branding is a highly important position within the industry as they control the company's image and ensure that the company and its products have proper labeling and designs that are appealing to the customers or the target customers. Proper branding builds reputation within the industry and a consumer basis. All good things. Now this could be for the final product if you're growing, as I said, cannabis plants. This could also be with fertilizers, could also be with lighting, plant supporting equipment as well. So it's important to keep that in mind, keep that relevant, because the cannabis industry is constantly changing, and a good branding person will recognize those changes, be ahead of those changes, make changes when necessary to keep their company on the competitive edge.